If you're considering upgrading your windows or replacing old ones in your home in Cayce, South Carolina, you may be wondering what to expect from a window installation consultation. Understanding the consultation process is crucial to making informed decisions about your window project. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect when you schedule a consultation with a local window installation company in Cayce. Initial contact and scheduling. Once you decide to explore window replacement, the first step is to contact a window installation company. This can typically be done through their website, phone call, or by visiting their office. The company will ask you some basic questions about your current windows and the scope of the project, including how many windows need to be replaced, the types of windows you're interested in, and your preferred time frame. A convenient time for an in-home consultation will then be scheduled. The consultant's arrival and introduction. When the consultant arrives at your home in Cayce, they'll start by introducing themselves and discussing the specifics of your project. They'll want to know more about your goals, whether you're looking for better energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, or a combination of both. This is a great opportunity for you to ask questions and clarify any uncertainties you have about the process. Assessment of your current windows. The consultant will thoroughly assess your current windows to evaluate their condition and functionality. They will check for drafts, leaks, and any issues that could be causing discomfort or raising your energy bills. This part of the process is vital as it gives the consultant a clear understanding of what needs to be replaced and how new windows might address existing problems. They may also inspect your home's insulation, frame condition, and the surrounding environment, ensuring that any new windows will fit seamlessly and provide maximum benefits. Discussion of window options. After assessing your windows, the consultant will guide you through the various window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available. In Cayce, where weather conditions can vary, you'll likely be shown a range of options suited for both hot summers and chilly winters. Common choices include double-hung, casement, sliding, and bay windows, all available in materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood. The consultant will explain the pros and cons of each option, taking into consideration your specific needs, such as ease of operation, aesthetic appeal, and maintenance requirements. They'll also go over energy-efficient windows, which are a popular choice in the Cayce area due to their ability to reduce heating and cooling costs by providing better insulation. Customized recommendation. Based on the information gathered from your home assessment, the consultant will provide customized recommendations. They will consider your budget, desired aesthetic, and functional needs to suggest the best window types for your home. Whether you prioritize enhanced security features, noise reduction, or UV protection, the consultant will guide you in choosing the ideal window solutions. They will also explain any available upgrades, such as low-E coatings or triple-pane glass, that can improve the performance and longevity of your new windows. Estimate and financing options. Once you've discussed the window options, the consultant will provide you with a detailed, transparent estimate that includes the cost of the windows, installation labor, and any additional fees or charges. They will explain the pricing structure, making sure you understand what is included and what might be extra. Additionally, many companies offer flexible financing options to help make the project more affordable. If you have any questions or concerns about pricing, don't hesitate to ask. Reputable companies in Cayce are usually transparent and willing to work with you to find a solution that fits your budget. The next step. Before the consultation concludes, the consultant will outline the next steps. This may include scheduling the installation date, selecting specific window models, and discussing any necessary preparations on your end, such as clearing the area around the windows or arranging for the removal of old windows. You'll also be given the opportunity to ask any final questions. At this point, you should feel confident in your understanding of the process and what to expect going forward. Conclusion. A window installation consultation in Cayce is designed to provide you with all the information needed to make a well-informed decision about your window replacement project. From understanding your needs and assessing your current windows to discussing options and pricing, the consultation is a vital step in the process. By the end of the meeting, you should have a clear plan in place and feel confident in your choice of window solutions that will enhance your home's beauty, energy efficiency, and value.